What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So, for dinner, was it the night before last or last night? When you made the stew?
We made it yesterday.
Well, for dinner yesterday, my mom made steak soup, which looks really good. Let me show you.
It doesn't look like that, Isaac. You put all that crap on.
I know it doesn't usually look like that, but I did put a bunch of stuff on it because I'm kind of a weirdo.
It's hard to believe. I just needed
I think my dog just tried to eat my cat's food.
He did. He reached his little head through the...
Baxter, you little snot! Well, my dog's rude, but it usually when my mom makes beef stew, or in this case steak stew, whoa, I almost went too far because my chair was on. It usually takes like 5 to 6 hours because she uses her slow cooker. Oh man. And it's not just the stew I've got. My dad made homemade pizza a couple of nights ago. And, ooh, what's that? Pepperoni?
Cheese and a pepperoni.
And my mom gave me a piece of hers. She, mind if I explain it? She has, I think she has celiac and she can't eat gluten, so she has to use gluten-free crust. So she gave me a piece of hers, and she just gave me a pepperoni and cheese, which this is gonna be tasty. I love pepperoni. Oh my god, that was good. And I also added in a biscuit from a roll from Montana Mike's and some red peppers because it wasn't spicy enough for me. And I added in there wasn't much left of this, but I added in the rest of this cheese stuff. Oh man, this is really good food.
Good food? Good food?
Oh my god.
Isaac, I think you just said good food.
I know what I said. I am not. Ignore my mom. I'm filming a video, you weirdo.
He's the weirdo.
Oh my god, that is so good. My family thinks it's weird that I film every bite I take, but then again, my family's a pack of weirdos.
What's the matter, honey?
Oh man,
Come here.
there's something wrong with my kitty. I think it wanted more food, which honestly, my cats want more food is kind of funny. My god. My mom's one of the best cooks I know. Ignore my brother. My god, the potatoes are really tasty. Sorry my hand's in the way. It's just how I'm laying it's just how I had my camera laid out for the first few minutes.
Patrick, you want me to make you fries?
Oh my God.
Baxter got up there and put his nose to the grate and pulled the plate over to him.
Yeah, I've seen him do it before.
I know what you're thinking. Should I shave my head? Comb it over? Wear a hat? Just stop. This is 1970.
Oh my God.
And your confidence because Bosley, America's #1
Who's he fighting with?
experts, can give you your real hair back.
Who's the cat fighting with?
Because they're giving away absolutely free information kit and a free gift card to everyone who scans this QR code.
Like I said, my family thinks it's weird that I film every bite, but I don't.
I heard him meow like they were fighting.
Oh man. Cat fight. Thank God I'm not showing that. I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I know I sure as heck will.